Welcome student. Today we will start with question number 13. Make the deep drawing of a matchbox model on the basis of the top view, front view and the side view given below. Now till now which kind of question you have learned? You have learned that already the drawing was given. Okay, already the model was given, sorry, and you have to make a front view, you have to show side view and you have to show the top view. But here the question is different. Already it is deep drawing of a matchbox model, it is given. Now here, sorry, you have to make, because here there is a front view, top view and the side view is already given. Okay, on the basis of you have to decide it. Now here little it is confused. Like from the top you will see, then you will able to see this much. Okay, like here 1 2 then 3 4 5. If from the front you will see, then it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If from the side you will see, then you will able to see this much. But what is the matter? How we can understand? So first of all, I will construct the on the basis of this I will try to make a one model. So here from the side I will see first of all. So from the side what I will see, that 1 2 3 4 are there. So I'll take 4 portions. So I don't have exactly the matchsticks boxes. So you will take, it will be better for you. So 4 I have to take. So it is 1 2. Now it will be 3. And one more I will like to keep this way. Now one more it is shown like this way, here it should be. So I will keep here. So that from here, from the side you will able, from this side you will able to see that there are 4s and 1. Now what about the front view? If I will see the front view, so from the front I will able to see this way 4 are there. Here 3 should be there. How many it should be? 3. And in between it should be 2. Okay, so I'll take in between 2, I'll take it like this way 1, and then it will be 2, and here this side it should be how many? So 3. This will be second one, and this will be the third one. So if from the top I will see top view, so I will able to see this portion, this and this. Like this way figure is given. And from the front view also, if front I'll see like this way. So I'll able to see from the side view also, I can see nicely. Okay, so this is my actual drawing. Okay, now that was a demo. So you have to try this at once, at least you have to try with the help of matchboxes. Okay, and then you have to draw it with the help of your model. So you have to draw the diagram on the basis of your model only. Now we will go to question number 14. Put this up arrow for the top view and the tick for the side view of the following models in the box given below for appropriate option. Now again here there is a model is given, and here 4 pictures have been given. You have to put a top arrow for the top view and tick for the side view. Now from the top if I will see the all boxes images I will get. So this will be my top view. If from the side I will see, from this side I will see, so I will get again one this way sketches I will get. Okay, so this will be my answer. I have tick mark. Now there is a question number 15. Draw the top view and the side view, front view for the of the deep drawing of a shape given below. Now again here the shape is given, and you have to draw what? Top view, side view and the front view. Little it is very difficult, so you have to be a very presentable. Okay, in this means very active mind you should be. Like here, can I see the top view means what? Exactly means, you know what is the meaning of top view? So it must be height. Means what will be the height? From the height what you will see? So I will able to see this from the up if I am standing. So I will able to see this all portions I will able to see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all 5 7 I have seen. Okay, now what about my side view? So side view you can say breadth, you can say. So from the side, if I will see, so I will able to see the 3 boxes. But how can you say the 3 boxes? Because here there is a 1 box and this is 2 and this is 3. From the side I will able to see 3 boxes. Okay. Now from front view means what? So it must be a length, you can say. Okay. So length, in a length from the front, what you will see? So I will able to see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes only I will able to see from the front view. I will not able to see what is there behind that. So this was the concept of this chapter. So you have to do it with practically also, you can try, or you should have a very strong observation power so that you can answer it very nicely. Okay. So thank you so much.